Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Asif. I am from Telangana. After graduation, I was looking for a job. Then one of my friends suggested me to join Evision Technoserve. After joining here, I have learned many things like Windows administration, basic networking, advanced CCNA, virtualization, network security, cyber security in a very easy manner. The trainers of Evision were very cooperative and supportive to me throughout the course. After completion of the course, I got placed in TechnoGen company with a 2.5 LPA. For this, I would like to thank each and every member of the Evision team. Once again, I would like to thank Evision.